Yes, students, I am back after a short break. In this video, I would be covering the income tax amendments as applicable for Jan 2026 exams. ICA has come out with a statutory update covering the amendments applicable for Jan exams, in which it is mentioned that whatever amendments or changes has been notified up to 30th June 2025 will be applicable for Jan exams. There are only two small amendments, so nothing to worry much. I have also prepared the amendments PDF, which you can download from our website under the free resources, guys. So before I start with the amendments, I just want to clarify for the students who are writing the exams in Jan 2026. Guys, the Finance Act applicable for your exams is Finance Act 2024. So the previous year applicable for your exams would be previous year 24-25 or the assessment year 25-26. And in this PDF, whatever is the amendment or changes, I have highlighted in red color, guys. Chalo, now we will start with the amendments. First, I will quickly tell what are the amendments, then I will discuss them in detail, guys. Section 54, first amendment is in capital gains. Section 54 EC gives exemption for an investment of long-term capital gains in certain bonds within 6 months from the date of transfer. We already had the bonds issued by REC, PFC, IRFC, NHI. Now a new bond has been added, that is the bonds issued on or after 1st April 2025 by UDCO, guys. That means the purchase date should be on or after 1st April 2025. Fine. Then coming to the next amendment, which is in chapter 8, that is assessment procedure. Section 139AA talks about quoting of Aadhaar number at the time of making an application for PAN or at the time of filing the returns. But if the assessee doesn't have his Aadhaar number, then instead of Aadhaar, he can give enrollment ID. But this provision has been discontinued from 1st October 2024. That means on or after 1st October 2024, whoever is applying for PAN or whoever is filing the returns has to give their Aadhaar number. Sir, what about the assessee or people who had given enrollment ID before 1st October 2024? Now that is the amendment. If you are given your enrollment ID instead of Aadhaar number before 1st October 2024, then you have to intimate your Aadhaar number on or before 31st December 2025. This date was not notified before. Now it has been notified. That is, whoever has given their enrollment ID instead of Aadhaar have to intimate their Aadhaar number on or before 31st December 2025, guys. So these are the amendments. Now let us discuss that in detail. Okay. Section 54 EC gives exemptions if you have a long-term capital gain on the transfer of land or building or both. If you are ready to reinvest this amount within 6 months from the date of transfer in the bonds issued by either REC or PFC or IRFC or NHI, then you can claim exemption maximum 50 lakh. And for this list, one more new addition now is the bonds issued by UDCO. Sir, what is this UDCO stands for? Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited, guys. So if you are purchasing the bonds issued by UDCO on or after 1st April 2025, then you are eligible to claim exemption under section 54 EC. But all this put together, maximum exemption is 50 lakh. Yes, sir. And even for this bonds, it is not redeemable within 5 years. Means the minimum holding period or lock-in period is 5 years, guys. Sir, what if I transfer within 5 years? Then the exemption will be withdrawn as mentioned in point number 4, which we would have covered in detail in the class. There is no changes in that. Students might have some confusion in this amendment. Let me explain this in detail. Guys, the bonds should be issued on or after 1st April 2025, which means, sir, this year will fall in the next previous year. No, sir. Whereas for us, the previous year applicable is 24-25. No, sir. How is it possible to claim exemption? Guys, listen here. The date of transfer should be on or before 31st March 2025 to compute the capital gains. Whereas the date of investment in these bonds should be within 6 months from the date of transfer. So even though the date of investment is falling in next financial year, but if it is within 6 months from the date of transfer, can we claim the exemption in the current year? Yes, we can claim. I will explain this with an example. Assume the date of transfer is on 14th February 2025, special day, which falls in our previous year, 24-25. Whereas the associate has invested in the bonds issued by UDCO on 10th April 2025, which will fall in next financial year. Now, for this investment, can he claim exemption in the previous year 24-25? Yes, he can claim because the investment is made within 6 months from the date of transfer, guys. Clear? So be careful. This might be the twist which can be added in the question in the upcoming exam. Yes, we are done with this. Next, coming to section 139 AA, that is quoting of Aadhaar number. Whoever is filing the returns or making an application for PAN, they are supposed to code their Aadhaar number in the application or in the income tax return. Sir, what if the person doesn't have his Aadhaar number? Then instead of Aadhaar number, he can quote his enrollment ID. Sir, what is enrollment ID? Enrollment ID means a 28-digit enrollment identification number issued to a resident at the time of enrollment. Yes. So this possibility was there. That is giving enrollment ID instead of Aadhaar number, provided you don't have Aadhaar number. But this facility was discontinued from 1st October 2024. That means if you are making an application for PAN or if you are filing your income tax return on or after 1st October 2024, then you have to give your Aadhaar number. Sir, can I give my enrollment ID? No. Then the amendment is actually, all this we had already covered in our regular class, even it is a part of my provision book. Now, sir, what if I have given my enrollment ID before 1st October 2024? Then you have to intimate your Aadhaar number within a notified date. This date was not notified earlier. Now they have notified it. What is the deadline, sir? 31st December 2025. 31st December 2025. In simple, whoever has given enrollment ID instead of Aadhaar number before 1st October 2024 has to intimate their Aadhaar number on or before 31st December 2025. Hope you got it. Yes, guys. So this is all about the amendments applicable for Jan 2026 exams. I wanted to make this video little early, but my throat was not supporting. But I have tried to do it as early as possible from my side. So please make sure you guys are studying well, fall in track, push hard and give your best, guys. All the very best from my side.